You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German city. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing city names in German as well, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel known in English as Munich. It is said in English, well, in German I should say, originally as München. München. München is German for Munich, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.